banana bread muffins with a crispy, buttery streusel. I know you want some. Hey OFT family, welcome to week 7 of the wheel challenge. Today we are making banana bread, but we're gonna do a little spin on it. We're gonna do banana bread muffins with a streusel topping. So first I have 3 very ripe bananas in my bowl. So I'm going to mash that up. Some of my bananas were not very ripe, so I put a couple in the microwave on 30-second intervals just to get it real soft. Be perfect for banana bread. So if you don't have any ripe bananas and you want to make banana bread or muffins or whatever you like, just put them in the microwave or even in the oven. Shit, you can put them in the freezer, I think. Get them frozen and get them all browned up. So get this all mashed up, and then to this bowl, we are going to add a half a cup of melted butter, which is 1 stick. Put that in there. Half a cup of packed brown sugar. You have 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. You're gonna get that all mixed up. You don't need to bring out the mixer or anything. This can all be done with a whisk and or spatula. To this, we are going to add 2 large room temperature eggs. Add that in there. 2 of those. Give that, just break them up and give them a little whisk. Get them incorporated a little bit. And then you are going to add 1/4 of a cup of room temperature buttermilk. Put that in there. And then a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm using vanilla bean paste, but if you have vanilla extract, use that. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of that. Give that a mix. You don't want to over mix it, just mix it until it's incorporated. You over mix stuff like this, that's how you get tough dough. So at this point, I'm going to switch to a spatula. I'm going to add my baking soda and baking powder to the party. Put that in there. And then you're gonna add your flour. This is 2 cups. Put that in there. And again, mix this just until it's incorporated. Don't over mix it. You can do a little foldy fold in here. If you wanted to use an electric mixer, you most certainly can, but now we're going to load them up in our muffin tins. Oops. So I have 12 muffin tins. I have them lined. If you don't want to line them, you can certainly just grease your pan, but I lined them just for ease for myself. I just take a big ice cream scoop. So I'm going to take a scoop of that and fill it up about 3/4 of the way because you want to add that streusel on top. There we go. Banana bread is a big hit in this family. Usually it doesn't last more than 2 days probably. Some of the boys like it just with butter. Some of them like it toasted with butter and cream cheese or just cream cheese. But needless to say, it's a hit. I have my oven preheated to 425. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it's a 425. And these are gonna bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for about 17 minutes just to check. You could always add more time if need be. And I made my streusel with a little bit of flour, packed brown sugar, cinnamon, and room temperature butter. So I'm going to take some of this streusel, get me a spoon, a little bit easier. I'm just going to spoon this on top of each one of the muffins. You might want to use your other hand just to Make sure you get them all nice and covered. I don't know about you guys, but I like anything with the streusel topping. When I make apple pie, I make Dutch apple pie because it has that streusel topping. So, more the better. All right, these are going into a 425 oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. We are back with our finished week 7 dinner or dish challenge from our wheel. We got banana bread. So I did a little twist on it. I did banana bread muffins with some streusel on top. And then I made some with chocolate chips too. These are chocolate chunks. So it's time to taste. All right, let me break this guy open. Go for a little skirt.
It's a family channel.
Well, you know. Ooh. Guys. Do you see how good that looks? Ooh. All right, we're gonna give this a try. This is a great little spin on banana bread. It's moist, they're still warm. You get a good little crunch from the streusel topping, and there's some cinnamon in that streusel topping, and it melts in your mouth. If you like banana bread, give it a little twist with the streusel. It's so good, guys. Now it's time to try the chocolate chip. Cut him in half. He's just as soft. Pull him off there. There's the chocolate. Do you see the chocolate? This is good too, guys.
Which one's better?
Well, I'm gonna say the streusel because I love streusel. Anything with streusel on the top or pastry, anything with streusel, I'm gonna love it more. But the muffin itself is still just as moist, really banana-y, really soft, not a bit dry. And if you like chocolate, it's a great little mix-in for banana bread all day long. Well, I hope you make this with your family and your kiddos. They will love it. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.